like so many people in the Caribbean and across the world who didn't get the protection of law that they were promised by their governments and which they had expected. Julian Washington's case changed for the better only after a group by the name of the Death Penalty Project stepped in. The death penalty, I have no affiliation with the Death Penalty Project. I have admiration for the Death Penalty Project, but no affiliation with them. The Death Penalty Project is a charity in the UK. They are focused on abolishing the death penalty across the world, and you may not know, but they have been involved in the Caribbean for decades. And we have to talk about the death penalty, but it's something for another time. What I want to highlight right now is that they don't just work on death penalty cases. In episode 2 and 3 of Stuck, I told the story of Lessine Edwards. It was the Death Penalty Project that helped Lessine Edwards secure leading experts to prove that it was impossible for him to have murdered the mother of his children.